Well, it's certainly impossible to have a bad day when one of these arrives. I've actually been eyeballing this meter off and on for a little over a year now, and I decided that it was time to make the purchase. Needless to say, it's actually a fairly small box. Now that was way too much fun to edit. I would really recommend the RadEye PRD. It's a very sensitive scintillation detector and is a very good tool and does what it's supposed to do. But I've already had a horrible story with this RadEye PRD even though I just got it this morning. I was in the menu and I was looking to change it over from dose rate to counts per second. And well, that didn't happen. Someone decided to get a hold of the RadEye.exe software and lock out the measurement unit option in the menu. I don't think I'm getting that menu selection back. Make sure to check out my new website, abyphysics.wordpress.com. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.